Cleaned up the street, which is nice. Look at this. Pretty strong branches too, actually. Supports like twice my weight. That's nothing though. Here's the kicker. Shingles. Branches everywhere. Pretty heavy winds. They're already getting to work on it. Gotta do this quick. Huge tree fell over. Oh, look at that. Pulled from the roots. That is just awesome. Step on in here. Oh, poor little tree didn't stand a chance. It's like a little forest in the backyard. Yeah, the trampoline's okay though. Just barely dodged all this nonsense. Going down. Oh boy. Keep going. Going to the backyard dungeon. Oh. Chainsaws are a rolling. Thanks, son. It's quite a mess. Personally, I think I would like to leave it alone, though. It's kind of fun. Alright. Pulled by the roots. There's a hole like 2 feet deep from this. Over there. Like that. That fence got real messed up too. Whew. Power was out and that's about it. Crazy winds. Sticks, leaves all over the ground. That's about it.